for higher GC news, Beba Obibia Aquaba, Ahadia latest and hot news, Agua, Erabede, Bremo, Enuti, so we don't subscribe to channel, Bomodia say, Obe subscribe, the Obeyan say, Obe click, the subscribe button. Now, Wabele notification. We understand the video be uploaded when the first person I was Ebeka. ASR video, I feel we are now like video and give us a thumbs up now. Share my Ato Forson when you be here now who and somewhere ekoso ewo Ghana memo hano afi yebura ye and somewhere abeto yepno so eye asema betudwa we latest eye JB Danquah meda eye sa sexy dondon allegedly say wono ne kun eye JB Danquah du ehun sensem say court ede asem nyina ba na wie court be ma judgement eye bosumi a ye ba be remu no court the judgment be ba na chese asem no ye de nyina aba na wie 8 years ni sa try akoso a afena court the final judgment no eba na ye ni kan hwe ye story beto abonte fa eye sasem ya say aba betudwa chese court ebe deliver the judgment o say JB Danquah do case court give judgment next month. Now I share details of the story. O say the trial of Asiedu, the alleged murderer of former MP for Boakye North, Joseph Boakye Agyarko, will be concluded on December 4th, 2024, when the Accra High Court delivers judgment. Now, just December 2024, no, Busumi ebe remu etoso 9, and the court be kwa sitting. I just say what the judgment, atujwa. Now, the trial has lasted for more than 8 years. The former MP was killed on February 9, 2016 at his residence at Shashi in Accra. The prosecution concluded cross-examination of the accused, who began his testimony on May 13th. A 7-member jury will give its verdict after the judge, Justice Lydia Osemafu, gives a summary of the trial. Any murder case biano in panel a jury one the better say from the one a besha trial na say kopem da be wie na one day one verdict abeto bontin say or you guilty or not guilty na judge ni so ni nsem o woka no or the nyina to eye court nanim enti December busumi etoso na December busumi da etoso 9 na one day eye judgment no ebetudwa na eye sa sexy dondo dan Asiedu asem ne ba no a okopi yourselves no audios bebre pp and sembi or the tudwa wo pa ye ndc fobi perifobi chawo ne ade na sansem nyina betudwa no eye Kennedy Agyapong ye nyina nim se Kennedy Agyapong di pp mu ne ade Kennedy so be react ma wode and sem bebre ebetudwa fa ho ye pese ye ko ye chikakra na sansebu nyina ade ni nyina esomo enti ye betie report kakra fa ye judgment ebeba on the 4th of December and we see a sexy dondon Asiedu alleged audio be a okeka nsem a wo pa NDC form penifo bi cha one ade de nyina betudwa amamo na fe so odis asem no tudwa no Kennedy Agyapong so de nsem bi betudwa react to yes asem a Asiedu de tudwa no Kennedy da nsem bebre afa sansema betudwa no yeni kan kutie report na fe yintie Asiedu audio and Kennedy Agyapong hu sensemi
about the JB Danquah murder case, yes. Right, where Asiedu is facing a jury verdict. We know that he's been cross-examined, and we've been waiting for a long time so that we can see finality brought to this matter. Is there an end in sight now?
Absolutely. There's a fixed date for that to happen.
Right.
Yes. Yesterday, like I told you, state prosecutors led by Mrs. Sifako concluded, in fact, she's a principal state attorney on the office of the Attorney General, concluded the prosecution's cross-examination of Asiedu, popularly known as Sexy Dondon or Gucci Young Star. Yesterday, when he appeared before the court, the concluding part of prosecution's cross-examination was to put to him virtually, I put it to you, I put it to you, I put it to you. And I put it to you that you were in the home of JB Danquah. I put it to you that you were in possession after stabbing and killing him. You robbed him of his mobile phones and all that. But Asiedu effectively denied all those moments and said, in fact, prosecution also put to him that, look, exhibits retrieved from the crime scene shows 100% of your DNA. He said that no, the police took him there, made him stage, gave him some of the things to hold, and the reason that he could agree that it returned 100% of his DNA was that at the time that he was hit on the head, blood was still flowing. So at some point in time, he will use the hand to touch the head where the blood is coming from. So when he had contact with those exhibits, it is possible that it will have his DNA. So he has been, in fact, denying all those moments.
Right.
And the issue of he's saying that it was Dampare that gave him the name Sexy Dondon.
Yeah.
Prosecution flatly denied that it was put to him. He said, no, my name is Gucci Youngster. And so that is it. December 4, 2024, Justice Lydia Osema has fixed the date for the lawyers and the prosecution to address the jury orally by way of summary. The court will do a summing up, then they will retire. The jury will retire to come out with their verdict, and their verdict is binding on the court.
Nana sama kacha say Sexy Dondon. Ye be wie ye mfa nkodi burunya.
Sir.
Oh ye wie.
Ma wie case no.
December 4th, me the verdict in the bebrowa.
Verdict beba December 4th.
Oh, December 4th.
JB Danquah Addo.
Sexy Dondon.
Ni wo no. Na na wo kan ya wani time gi ada Sexy Dondon no de asemo.
Nana.
Said was he can have ye de.
Nana
8 years ni so 8 years ni a check.
2015. What is the name? 2015.
A check.
Enti a check nye wa
8 February 2016 and as JB Danquah Addo. If a sitting member of parliament wuna 9 years. Ye koba say ya wa uti we ya wa no den. Etowa.
Ama me manen to me.
Nana who ento?
How na me manen to me.
Nana odi me
kasa da to. Miami kura miami timi hwe mo say wo beku hu anana miami menye miami hu ni ha ho.
Nana enti say to anto na to obi a imagine say.
Me to wa say. Ama me de mama no.
Ebekwa ko say.
Wa say ngosi hwe ka de jesi anano den ngosi hwe. Wo mu kura be so wu dida. What's your dirty gay?
Naba. It's na nye say bibia.
The Sexy Dondon 4th
December.
Yeah, the verdict baba.
Na ye wie case no. Suro aye suro kakra bi say nkoye te sa fokodie na nkoye bia 4-3. Nkoye 4-3 na say asem kese na. Na say you started the novel. You started bibia.
All over again.
Everything. Enti ye wie Sexy Dondon December 4th. The verdict. Nti efia no pa no kono ye tena se a. E bia wo mpon wo show no. Na ewie dia na said them
information on mampini to Mahama and na sefoni ami te me no kwa bia wo mu ese me de otchere o man Ghana na me de bisade besere o mampini to Mahama and na sefoni na me entro a mitimi twagu am so se o mo no musoma me se me koye sare no enye sanete semni na ne se eya me wo on the 4th February, on the 5th February, Madina, me wo hono mo na alute informant ni Jamestown Clubhouse, like oma ejuma to me my guns ni nyama ni Kwaku nyama ni ade de aba to no no my sa option nti me wo hono mo on the 5th February no be frame me 2015 obe frame no ka chem senti ejuma bi aba o na me bombo de ya no ho beto no me so me ho be den e beto me na dia me pe bia no ani amount am pe bia o mo de be ma me na me see you tina ama me ni age e na waka chem so okay maintain na kai no mo na e be kwa committee nkrofo bi wo adenta o branch for right side near the filling station ko wenim kakra hotel bi wo ho ase no I say sports me na wo ti ye ko no me ne tina ka no me ko no me koto mpenyufo mienu bi wo ho me koy no mu chia me na me so me chia mu no mu bizam se frem se na me so e frem Daniel Asiedu no ma me tina ho no mu bom din chia me da me tie ne nipa ba ko o shefugu o se friend Kennedy Agyapong na ba ko so se friend Mr. Ofori and the metime hu ne fu name o se Mr. Ofori ene aloteno tina no mkatem se minima do kunti me bahana na msio alote akachem na say okay my ready se me yana na msio I'm ready for anything no sio ntime bizam se kachem me se nipa odi adwuma no mam se mfambra nana Addo Danquah na ono no why busy campaign nti odi for so Kennedy Agyapong na Mr. Ofori no so say fa edwuma we embre me na msiyo mate na hwehwe nipa kro betimi aye edwuma no nti me na hu se metimi aye nti de bre me na ma nipa na oba be di position of JB Danquah no ano so eka ho no this information e de ma me say okay say nipa we no mayo ma ho abo say se mitimi ye adwuma na dia me pe bia no o me de be ma me na me see you mate nti Mr. Kennedy Agyapong de shefugu no oyi envelope white bi efi ne fugu no any picture any nyama kakra bi e de ma me senti otchere me papa ne picture any baby a papa no eti nina na me see you to de ma me no otchere me senti me nkosisi na on the 6th no de mbeko baby na me see you mate so mo ma meti asese papa no omakunu e wo sunsun dada na so owu a ebeye obia suspect say omo no mai den MPP party na eden ayenesa to mo mpese obia be hu ne sa to mo pese meko na mekunu wo physical a omo chimia ma me worry ma me jintum se me na me na nipa bi sei na so ma me say menye NDC party omo ma me bo aso MP no Surugo Edin Emamebo Mr. Awayomi and some MPBD oye NDC or NDC or fighting for JB Danquah position or NDC no or Mamebo Nidinka or Mamebo Mr. Smith William Smith also add an account Emmanuel Smith account na monsieur Mate into we call on the 6th February no on befa me ahomache me Mr. Kennedy Agyapong ene Mr. Ofori ene aloteno to mo de course de me call ritual bi mo say baby a me no ohonom security tight nti de me call ye call ritual ne say like me ni bibi ma me call no oluma bi ne ye koto no ho ma me dro bi me ne ye se me wura ho a obi eni ho be hu me fi ho se me call obi eni ho be hu me me ye bibi awie akọ obi eni ho be den obe hu me baso omo chimia ombe chimi no mo chimia me mbosa ni pese me si say din na omo timi de gina so ayden every new election na msio mate na bibi awie a ombe ma me de amepe bia na msio mate mi jitu mu eye de a omo se menye nyema omo promise me ni na no envelope no ma mama me 2000 Ghana cedis en ewum na ma me de toto me ho nyama kakra bi a me de be den e de be kwa koye se djuma to ma me sekan tuntum bi kan na me call okay me call ye bibi awie no nti mi ankasa me ni aloteno na eba na osama o musa be chi me e wo konkoma senti o me na mai sisi te me so me call me jitu mu se ampa me na me ye na nipa se me sisi na ye den esuma me to me wo remind e adwene ho a nyama bi ha me ba prison anu me custody no ritual how na ye call no spirit ne hante me my imagine say I forgive and forget everything that I'm going on me de me ho amanyame but nyama bi ha me na mintimi den nwumre bibi pursue me say I should speak the truth and let the secret not to happen secret we so nananmo mpenyefo NDC for mpenyefo me de akoto ene sere epamacho mumfa me bone nchame ene de ameye enye mepe se meye mepamacho pa mumfa me bone nchame me sere bone fache mumfa me bone nchame ade ne ha me se me kana kre ti me nokra me kanini asema me review very huge asema dangerous say MPP for net here I will never live in this world again mepamacho mumfa me bone nchame me this secret message edema NDC for mpenyufo me sere mo me yi me nsa efrem na de ha me se me nka me nokra ene na ma me ken ti me sere mo a me pamacho mfa me bone ncheme asema me ken me ni se me wo danger am sure mfa me bone ncheme e da masi nko o sham wo na kaki soja kaki na me nti sikan no odi me kosi ne pick up white one no odi me ekosi wo papa ne fie ho because ye twam fat security for ni na no money say because of no nti obi entime engina ka no ne ekosi wo papa ne fie ne nimo te fie ne no see me nti me na me hye soja nika ene top brown na sika ne share me kaki inside pocket na security ni be ma me no me pap 2 main gate na me first step no the step ne dynamo steps no kef to me focus on no and I'm a share another room on no maybe some sense in front papa no otchere me say another room no be dynamo me don't know so da ho I say wa ko adwuma ba no abre na scan bag ni sisi ho scan bag ni esisi ho no jane phone ato ne mpa no to on mo catch me say mama first ka bia me fires within pay phone na am see you nti me wura dan mu no mama ni bie dan no me wura mu no ni say papa no hu me na me yem hye den na me pe na me man den no o men kan no yede o ma miska na me see no obi anso ma me no kwa na me pe no see o na no yede o so ra hye me na me yede o so me see no so me no o so a o so me mu won instant finfin me so me struggle say me isi kan no e wo me side pocket me yi no na etwa me na send picture na mo sisi a etwa me nsa no to hom na me de sika no nse say na wachi me ochi me wo ne because of me nim eko share onu nenim akwati say ye be ya atentam no yes to say no also me force no me yi sika no fi me side pocket me bie na etwa me nsa nti ne mfi na me nya first tino ojane sabakum no so ne film na msade wo ne kon ne kon left right side or right side or the right side on na menya kwan ebe gina ne chi na me so ne kon just kana to so ne kon emia ya nti moja ne etene na no ye mre no tena ewo ne mpane ni mo ne mpane ni no tena fom no otu wane suma menjeno hane suma me menjeno na obema miska me hweska me fada na mepe me mboa na menjeno na hona na me hu se no security phone no mo papa ne nim ho no opposite ne nim full tinted glass in company na hu sama fo gina o hwe ko se no me struggle na edede ti me bie window na hwe se obi ehu mi ana hu sama fo gina ho na me sapie me sawura me too am say the window no tent wall to me sa to tent ni na me ko gina bebia ne pa no na me bie dan no bebia ma me ne de fire me bie na bisa ma me say fa na me fa sisi a infa na me fa bia man fo gina window na na wa hwe me infa na me fa sisi a na o ka che otchere me say no me kwan pa ono ne atade no de da no kwan fa so a moja ne na atade me nim so kodem ho no kotwe papa no kwan of us me dem nim nti me huri na me yede otchere me say window na opposite to the soldier man room na me huri si yo na me fa pa won nti me nante ye kodu hyiashi na me frɛ Kennedy say me wieo no so okay ono aka say tu ni ka na baba be hwɛ that is it no atu nka no ba ne pick up white no de me be si wo ho na chono ne first person oba ho to be kasa me boa on frame na me kan che no ono ne first minister o hu se papa na ewu no oba ho chono me ka che me sent evidence exhibit na mafa no to me twan ye be che me omo che me a ho no na me don baby sam se hwana suma na me so me boncho me se me sisi na suma me asem ni na no to me twa picture no aka ho ama me da se papa
I cannot continue getting that embarrassment, humiliation, accusation everywhere when they know the killer. The police if one has catch them. Now let them come out and challenge. Say you want to catch them. So we have a problem. Okay, security here now. Yes, I admit we have a problem. But if they want to arrest, Obi Okumni Pebia, they will do it. They are capable. But I need that. Woman, so when you important personality, now MP make a crime wrong because MP Krewu, I say Abu Abi. Apart from say police ni, and now soldier ni, ewo. Yenya ya Kenya, yenya citizens of Ghana when it comes to security with the police. Because oni pan bewu, woman who. My brother, let me tell you, Mutiwana. Mudi ya mosresre and I'm yes we're a journalist Edi politicians atem, edi asofofo atem. Journalists can insult anybody, accuse anybody. You cannot be indispensable like that. You are not thinkers. We are journalists, we are thinkers. We respect the work we are doing. But it doesn't mean say we are 100% right in every step we take. It's not true. I cannot continue getting that embarrassment, humiliation, accusation everywhere when they know the killer. Over a year, the first commander, I will catch him, Meninity British Airways, and will catch him. The new guy who took over and so has confirmed. Over 1 year. Exclusive. Over 1 year. And my name is up there. Who asked that guy who killed JB to come and apologize to Mahama? Why did he apologize to Mahama? Mobiza. A man, boy, no big Gina ho. Omu kochi no ya. Or Kasasi about so in any say no or ultimately some coaching no prisons. But you see, me, I've done a lot of investigation. I mean the cause of death and who killed. When him say, me all one day then cram for 2 guys become some person mommy. Omo baya almost say Dampare SC omo. Na o promise omo say so omo tumi chire baby a akwa no sha agwa na friends aí. You match no. Sexy dondon e sha o mbema na ndi. Omo na e ko chire sexy dondon e no mo de no bae enye Dampare na ko chire. Na promise no wamfa ni nyina ama wo. Second person oba me office enso be complaining ofri asin adubiase. Ono so bae o se ono na sexy dondon di phone ma no. Ah, we ko hu President Kufo any JB pictures near you or the coma eslosu. Ono so promise no o man farmer. Now 2 guys in a bar first no and no more catch them say o mo an de no koy. No mo de no koy no. Oboni patu din. Ah, wo mutie. Mutie ni. Enti o say obo standogwe.
Yes, sexy dondon.
Right. And we bought MP Bakunsudin.
Ne MP Benya.
Sologo, Ahmedu Sologo.
Okay.
What am I ni? Obo MP Nidino. Enti me pa mimisa Dampare. Dampare admitted the first one, but say ampa obo MP bidin but and the whole team can't. Now boys no so sa can say me pa mimisa police inspector bi your friend opon. Me friend no o sere sa was you asem we dey me dey me ntimi nka ayiro. Eno chai. O call pension o ba me office be catch him say sexy dondon bo Amadu Sologodin. Now emra omodi boy no e wo prison ho. E kasa me na me shefugu. Direction of my office cry otin. Say me and I'm born pass o mekunu na or apologize to Bahama 1. Or apologize to Ahmed Sologo 2. Or apologize to no. Or must stand dog with him. Acquire me so no more financially. Wyoming 3. And we bought 1 Emmanuel I forgotten a. Why in the kitchen say or apologize? Why in the kitchen a boy and say or apologize to those people? Why did he apologize to those people? Have you asked that question? By mentioning those people's names, apologizing to them implicates them. It means he has mentioned their names somewhere.
So he's apologizing for
apologizing. Yeah. Don't consume information. Adia bronze my friend, bronze a great city. I'm telling you, be proud to say we free bronze. Once I meet that just the idea natural. Or boy, a dinner sapam say, I give him away. Now, he mentioned or apologized to Ahmedu Sologo. Police if you catch him say Ahmedu Sologo Sudin. Ghana for Obiankanri, Kennedy Agyapong. What a shame. What a shame. What you say? And you a whole sitting MP wawu. You're treating it as Sebi Akukwa Yekunu. monhwe on enne metwema dwena ko bibi so wodi ada betisi ya wo obi sekan police ni sekan ana ya bo police ni check ask yourself or monitor how many hours and how many days or how many weeks it takes for them to arrest. Are we the rest of Ghanaians? Are we not citizens? Don't we have rights? And what do you want to and once them begin oh, Kennedy Agyapong, and I'm saying, man, criticize you. They make a U-turn. Boy, no, or court, you be sam. And mra or car seven, I'm small. You be sam several times. Also, Unimeda. Unimeda. How is he able to make that video? How? The last day, I threatened to mention that there was a Minyabu train. No more day. Forensic American report to Inaba. They are working on it. It's over 4 months. I cannot continue getting that embarrassment, humiliation, accusation everywhere when they know the killer. The police if not catch them. Now let them come out and challenge. Say you want to catch them. So we have a problem. Okay, security yes, I admit we have a problem. But if they want to arrest, Obi Okumni Pebia, they will do it. They are capable. But I need that. Important personality na MP make a crime wrong because MP Kweku Annan say Abu. Apart from say police ni and now soldier ni ewo. Yeni ayakanyira yenya citizens of Ghana when it comes to security with the police. Because onipan bewu who and then mommy share secret with you. Why are you think say me very smart? Information investigation discovery.
Okay.
I watch ID every second. I mean, me free time be I share investigation discovery.
Eti honorable. See how baby PM idea not mean be so. As if fix the attitude and not fix the country and not fix both. Honorable, whatever.
Yeah. You know, let me break it down.
Break it down
for you. Okay? Moi, on can't fix the attitude. On can't fix the attitude. Say year 2023. So, say year 2023 be. And on can't fix the attitude. COVID no abba abetwemu a enka me support you. But say I disagree with them. So Obeka say fix the attitude. Say we should fix. We should say fix the country. We should say we should fix the country. All of us. If you say all of us we should fix the country, I will agree with you. But Sawoka say fix the country. Who should fix it? What about you? I'm going to give you examples. So if you don't fix your attitude, bring Jesus Christ to rule Ghana, he can fix the country. So let's fix our attitude or our mindset first.
Yo, it for winning and some more abeto yepno so JB Danquah meda try sexy dondon then Asiedu court at the abetu judge say December 4th busumi be ribbon 4th of December and one day judgment in abetu judge say the assembly na abewe and one me de asumo me ka say so when subscribe to channel dia bomodi say obe subscribe say hadie latest and hot news enkwa era be de bravo abewe and like if you like the video na fe share ma ofofro so da when you be here now we who and somewhere koso e wo Ghana be mu hanam also betimi otchere wadwen afaye and some way nyina ho e wo comment box mu mobete minkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.